Six months ago, if somebody told me you're going to be monetized on YouTube and you're going to chainsaw carve bears, all kinds of stuff, and you're going to get millions of views on your live streams, I probably would have told them you're nuts and go kick rocks. This is Woodchucker. Well, you never know. I made this Hobbit house carving for their Hobbit house rental they're building. They loved it.
Wait, there it goes.
Oh, yeah, it went down. Balls. Darn it.
Makes them feel good when they go and shoot up a tree.
Bullet. Yep. How I do my carvings. So in 1 minute you're going, boy, that looks like a rhinoceros or something. And then you come back 10 minutes later. That's why don't leave, because you're gonna miss it. Because it'll turn into a snake real fast. Bravo! Carving's on.
Woodchucker!
Carved a heart bear in the forest. That was a lot of fun. Put my belt on. Do you think the belt can go around this side? Billy put me up to this one. Here we go. Here's the curls. Yeah. Yeah. Darn it.
Makes them feel good when they go and shoot up a tree.
Bullet. Yep. I thought I would give it a try. Chainsaw carving a chainsaw. Came out great. Look at all these pieces all over. I found some cottonwood bark, so I had to make my own whittling station. I made 2 levels, one at the bottom for sitting and one at the top for standing. So I'm going to use a wheelbarrow. The handle, my camera is going to be here. View of carving. I gave one of my carvings away. because I can.
Wow.
Oh, you're such a sweetheart. You
That's
shouldn't have done
adorable.
that. I know how much work you put into it, Caleb.
I hope this brings a lot of smiles to come. That was awesome. So she loved the bear. A neighbor to a neighbor can do a lot for somebody. So share your story of your pay it forward. Enjoy the forest.
Woodchucker.